Hello guys, how are you? Let's start some question answer that related to OSA because nowadays all WPR should have OSA also. Not only receiver card, they should have OSA also, and this is very important question of your exam point of view. Okay, so you have to carefully read this one because this is 100% you are going to face. So let's start. Barrier to good health and safety system, all of the above. After that, anything which has a potential to cause harm is called hazard. Okay, what is the greatest hazard facing a worker while working in a trench? Look at there, you are going to confuse here. In the exam, they are telling falling object, but in the reality, the right question was given. Okay, so you can ask your educator, sir, which is the recommend by official. Okay, because their official has separate different questions. So first you ask your educator, sir, which is the um, cabin or falling object requirement according to you. Okay, if he will tell falling object, so you have to click falling object, otherwise cabin. Okay, what is the minimum distance that excavated material tools and other applies is kept back from the excavation edge? 2 feet. Okay, let me explain you why. Let you explain me why. Some people don't know. Look at, this is the trench. Okay, and you will excavate and you will keep all the material here. Okay, but should be this distance up to here 2 feet. Okay, should be 2 feet. Your material start keeping here, not here, 2 feet away. Okay, after that, which of the following is not considered PPE? Sport shoes. C. Sport shoes not considered a PPE. Okay. Hearing protection is required when noise level 85 decibel. Okay. Who is responsible for providing PPE needed to comply with OSHA standard? Employer. The employer. Okay. C1. The employer, not the employee, not the OSHA, not the worker construction. Employer should be provide you. Okay, after that, when pushable ladder are used for across access, sorry, when portable ladder are used for access to an upper landing surface, how many feet above the upper landing must be side rails extended 3 feet? I will tell you how. Look at, this is your roof. Okay, and this is the ladder. This is the ladder. This is the landing point. But this ladder should be 3 feet 1 meter extra. So you can, when you landing on the roof, so you can hold this one. That's why. Okay. What is the first line of defense when it comes to falls in the workplace? Cannot itself eliminate the fall hazard completely. Second one, scaffold must be designed by a qualified person. C. Nearly 45% of cranes accidents are the result of the boom or crane making contact with energized power line. C. Vibration hazard can be controlled by providing anti-vibration glass, allowing rest break, job rotation, all of the above. D. PTW, permit to work, stand force permit to work, there is no, but the answer is 4, none, because there is not given. PTW means permit to work. Okay. A broken window that distorts the it should be disturb the operator's visibility of the task and acceptable for operation. No. False. B. Okay. Which of the following must be readily available to the crane's operator for all time? Load chart should be there. A special hazard warning should be there. Instruction and operation manual should be there. All of the above. Scaffolding must be qualified person. You can use metal ladder around power lines or expose energized electrical equipment. No, this is the false. You cannot use a metal ladder near the electrical area or near exposure energized line. You will be get shocked. Which of the following action may expose workers to electrical shock hazard and should be avoided? Avoided what? Avoided removing the grounding pin or the 3-prong plug. Okay, this is the right. A. After that, which of the following is an example of unsafe practice regarding to use the tools? C. Using a screwdriver to curve a cut board. Sometimes people using a screwdriver to make hole in the board. They using a screwdriver, but this is the totally unsafe action. Okay, unsafe practice. Which of the following statement about grounding technique is true? Listen here very carefully. Okay. In the question, I see in the question they mark bare PP because guard will not protect operator from flying object. Why not protect? If there is a guard, that should be protect. And chips and spark and moving parts or tools. Listen to me. In the exam, they will tell this is the right, but in the reality, this is the right one. This is the wrong. But you have to ask your educator if see these kind of question. You have to ask, sir, which one you will accept. If I will tick yes, okay. If he will say this one, then you have to click here. Otherwise, this is the right answer. Okay. After that, Ergonomics is the science of designing the job to fit the workers. Listen to me. This is the word is very careful. Anything that designed for human, the word explain ergonomics. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी. ये जो शब्द है एर्गोनॉमिक्स, ये किसके लिए एक्सटेंड है? जैसे आप कहीं भी काम कर रहे हो, आपको सेफ इन्वायरमेंट प्रोवाइड कराने को ही एर्गोनॉमिक बोलते हैं. जैसे वहाँ पे आपको कोई खतरा नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको काम करने में सहूलियत होनी चाहिए, आसानी होनी चाहिए काम करने के लिए, उसी शब्द के लिए एर्गोनॉमिक्स यूज किया है. तो डिजाइन द जॉब to fit the workers. Okay, ergonomic hazard can be prevented or reduced by which of the following controlled method? All of the above. engineering भी होता है. There is also engineering, proper work practice, administrative control. Administrative means practice, training and signages all coming under administrative. Okay, engineering means like protection, like guardrails. If you are working on the scaffolding, there is guardrails, there is stairs and air mover. These all engineering method. Personal protective equipment like a helmet, like a shoes, all of the above. Okay, D1. After that, which of the following explain how a guard protect workers? Stop the machine when a worker enter in the area and provide the barrier. Listen to me guys, here also was confusing because the educator was told this is the right. Okay, but no, educator told this is the right, but I think this is the right answer. Listen why. Here stop the machine when a worker enter in the danger area. Listen guys, the equipment in example in the plant, the machine every time running to make good production. If every time worker coming, you will going to always close, always stop, always shut down. This is bullshit, not the right. But here provide a barrier to prevent access to the danger area. Why? Because if you will make barricade, this area not allowed to enter anybody. Okay, so only who will go there, that authorized. If you will stop every time, if you will follow this one, you will stop every time. How many time people go, how many time you will shut down? So this answer not accept for me. This is the acceptable. But in the exam guys, in the exam they taking this one. Okay, so you have to ask your educator, because 3-4 question educator making himself wrong. Okay, we are trying to, sir, why this one, but he speak no, this is the right. So what we can do, because he is the educator and we are only student, so we have to follow him. Because if you will do another tick, the exam committee make you fail. So only follow the, ask them which one acceptable. Okay, so let's let's start again. So rotating in running nip point, nip point dislocating and transversing are types of motion. Example, buddy. Example, you have to set this one motion, not the guard, because anything that is rotating, that is motion. Hazard type of motion. Okay. After that, which of the following is the safe practice? Carrying power tools in the car, handling and keeping guard away from the. Listen here also, because I feel yanking cord and disconnecting plug from the outlet. They demand this one, but according to Google, everywhere you will search, this is the right question. This is wrong. So make it this one right. Okay, keeping cat away from the heat. Example, keeping cord like you are using cable drum. If you will keep your cable drum near heat and near oil and near sharp edge, what will happen? Which of the following is a safe practice? Yes, right. D1 is the correct. Because he is asking who is the following is safe practice. Safe practice means disconnect the plug from the outlet. Okay, this is the safe. I am sorry. This is the right one. This is the wrong. Okay, this is the wrong. Okay. After that, what does GFCI stand for? C1, ground fault circuit interrupter. What is electricity? Electricity, the movement of free electrons between atoms, or the movement of atom within the object? No. Right question B, the movement of free electrons between atoms. Okay, this is the electricity, not the object. Electrocution means killed by electrical shock. Listen me guys, here this word is very people thinking electrocution means electrical wire, electrical cable, electrical whatever. But no, this is the electrocution means you will killed by any electrical shock. Okay, you will killed by any electrical shock. So this is the right. MSDS everybody knows there, but MSD also have separate. Okay, MSDS, if all has big letter, listen, I will show you. MSDS, this is the not same guys. Okay, this is the not same. And M again, MSDS, this all has big letter, so this means material safety data sheet. If you will see this this one, if you will see like that, MSDS, don't put material safety data sheet. Okay, so this is the material safety data sheet, MSDS stand for B. Okay, Safety sign which is blue. Note this word blue. Blue color means mandatory sign. Okay, blue color means mandatory sign. So I hope guys you understand all of this. So if there is any inquiry, any mistake, just take a screenshot and send in the comment box and ask why this one. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask in the comment box. Okay. Thank you so much.